Hello. Okay. I'm going to get into Warren Buffett's options trading strategy and put selling for profits or for income. And this right here is Berkshire Hathaway's annual report for 2020. And in this report, it talks about him selling. It talks about Berkshire Hathaway receiving premiums for index put options that are European style. You know, European style options are different from Americans. You have to close based on the research that I've done. You have to hold the European options until expiration date to either let it expire and you keep the premium or exercise it. I mean, that's the research I've done. It could be different. I mean, I don't know. I just did some minor research on that. But they have received, if you look at the next page, let's look at the next page. They have received premiums up to 1.9 billion. And that's basically, I've seen other articles that said this was basically on indexes, similar to SPY right here, SPY. So if we wanted to kind of trade like him and just sell puts, we can actually do that, and you need to do that. That's a bullish strategy. So you have to do that on a stock that's currently rising. And you know, SPY is always up and down, and it has its pullbacks, but it's always been bullish. Look at the 5-year chart on it, and you had that one pullback right here because of coronavirus, but it's always been here. So if you want to sell a put every 30 days, it will have to be cash covered. So you will have to have that amount just in case you have to exercise. And if you don't mind owning whatever stock that you're selling puts on, that's the key. If you want to own the stock, it's best to sell puts on those. So right here, I can just sell this. An expected profit will be around if it goes up to, just moves up $2, my expected profit is just $500, but I have to have this in my account right here just in case it goes down, and more than likely it's not, but you need to have that secured in your account if you want to do SPY. I've seen people do on AMC. Remember, we had AMC had that big now it's just pulling back. I mean, I've made $4,000 off a AMC call option, but I bought around this price. I bought when it was at here, and then once it went up to here, I sold. So, but now it's dropping back down. I wouldn't mess with AMC now because of what's going on. But if you would have sold puts back then when it was rising, you could have made a lot of money on the rise of this stock by just selling puts. Hold on, let's look at this. Let's sell this put. Right here. See, same amount of money. Look, it has to go up from here, 26 to 31, and look, that's 580 right there, maximum loss. So AMC would have been a good play in order to sell puts on. Or you can go over here to the put screener, a bar chart, and you can see other stocks that you can actually trade or sell puts on. AMC is one of them here. Just the probability of breaking even. It shows that here. Certain other names. That could be risky on stocks like these, like AMC. I don't suggest selling puts on those, but I would suggest like selling puts on something like Apple, Facebook, SPY, or QQQ if you got that type of money sitting in your account. So these are good to sell puts on. But basically, that's Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway's option trading strategy, just by looking at their annual report. Look at the premiums they collected by selling European puts on indexes. So all right, if you like this content, please like, subscribe, or share, and y'all have a blessed day.